Hey there, shoppers. Welcome to your ultimate guide for a safe and secure shopping experience on AliExpress. Ever worried about making a purchase online? You're not alone. It's a common concern, especially with so many options out there. We've all been there, especially on a giant platform like AliExpress, where the choices are endless and sometimes overwhelming. But fear not, my friends. AliExpress has a system to protect you, the dispute process. It's designed to give you peace of mind. Think of it like this: it's your safety net when things don't go as planned. It's there to catch you if something goes wrong. Whether it's a product that's not as described or a package that's gone MIA, AliExpress has your back. You can file a dispute and get the help you need. Knowing how to use this system is key to a stress-free shopping experience. It can make all the difference in your online shopping journey. So buckle up as we break down the AliExpress dispute process. We'll guide you through each step, making it simple and straightforward. We'll go step by step, make it super easy to understand, and give you the tools to shop with confidence. By the end, you'll be an expert in navigating AliExpress disputes. First, let's talk about AliExpress. This platform is huge. Imagine a giant online market with millions of products and even more shoppers. We're talking over 150 million active buyers worldwide. From clothes to electronics to home goods, AliExpress has it all. And the best part, it's known for its incredibly affordable prices. Now, with a platform this massive, hiccups can happen. A package might get delayed, or an item might not be exactly as you pictured it. That's where the dispute process comes in handy. Let's talk about some common bumps in the road you might encounter while shopping online and how to smooth them out effectively. One common issue is when the product doesn't match the description provided on the website. In such cases, open a dispute clearly stating the discrepancies you have noticed. Make sure to provide photos comparing the product to the description to support your claim. Another issue is when your package is taking forever to arrive. Always check the estimated delivery time provided by the seller. If the delivery time is passed, don't hesitate to open a dispute. Sometimes the item might arrive damaged. Take clear photos of the damage before opening the package, if possible, to document the condition. Open a dispute and upload the evidence to support your case. Remember, AliExpress wants you to be happy with your purchase and will work to resolve issues. By being clear and providing detailed evidence, you're helping them help you resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Section 5. Tips for a smooth dispute. Here are some insider tips to make your dispute process even smoother. Use simple language and avoid jargon. Remember, you're dealing with real people. The dispute process takes time. Wait for AliExpress's resolution. By following these tips and being proactive, you're setting yourself up for a positive outcome. Remember, the dispute process is there to protect you, so don't hesitate to use it. Section 6. Shop smart, shop confident. AliExpress is a fantastic platform for finding incredible deals, and now that you know the ins and outs of the dispute process, you can shop with confidence. Remember, you're not alone. Millions of shoppers use AliExpress daily, and the platform is designed to be user-friendly. So go ahead, explore the world of AliExpress and happy shopping.